Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today guys, we are in a 2017 M2. The owner was very nice and allowed us to actually get some footage behind the wheel. So now I just absolutely love these BMW M2s. They are such a good car. All around, this thing was very comfortable to sit in on the track. There's not much to grab onto when you're a passenger. It's kind of a different experience when it comes to being a passenger in someone else's car, but it is what it is. If you guys do want to follow the owner, his link is going to be in the description down below. Make sure you guys check him out. I do appreciate him for giving me to ride along, and I'm sure to get more ride-alongs with some other cars in the future. So if you guys do like this video, please leave a like, comment, and sub if you haven't. Let's get right into it.
Oh, pretty, you're like one to just to warm shit up and then try to push you.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I can. That's good. That mud there. Fuck, I'm being thrown around here. Yeah. It's alright, I'll eat it. That's what I've been doing. I've been hitting just the curve of it. Dude, I saw that piece there and I was dodging that like crazy. I came close to hitting it a few times.
I don't know what it is. I think maybe
yeah. Oh, so am I. Yeah, I noticed that today. My tires were slipping. And the last time I was here, man, they were